mingle together, voices joyful and gay, singing hymns to our Mother. This our own month of May. Bring the choicest of flowers, search the woodland and grove. Breathe a crown for Our Lady as a pledge of our love. Let us mingle together, voices joyful